Hi, so today in JavaScript algorithm and data structure, we are going to start learn the date object by building a date formatter. Okay, working with dates in JavaScript can be challenging. We have to navigate various methods, formats, and time zones. In this project, we will learn how to work with the JavaScript date object, including its methods and properties, and we will also learn how to correctly format dates. This project will cover concepts such as get date, get month, get full year methods. Okay, so let's start our project. This is what we are going to make. Date, month, year, month, date, month, day, year, hours, minutes. Okay, so start coding. Okay, so we will learn about the JavaScript date object by building a date formatter. All of the HTML CSS for this is provided here. Okay, so start by getting the current date element. This is our HTML. Okay, this is current date. Okay, let's half it off. So start by getting the current date element using the dot get element by id method assign the const. Okay, so const current date paragraph current date paragraph equal to document get element first get element by id. What is the id? What is our id? It is current date. Okay, our step 2 is use the get element by id method to get the date option element. Okay, so where is this element? Here it is. This for this date options, the id is date options. Okay, name is date options. Okay, so similarly we will get it const is date option select element. Okay, which is equal to document get element by id. And what is our id? It is date options. Date options. Okay, date option. Okay, it is options. Options selected. Okay, now going towards my step 3. In JavaScript, there are many built-in constructors that create objects. A constructor is like a regular function, but starts with a capital letter. Okay, and is initialized with the new operator in JavaScript. Okay, built-in constructors. Okay, for example, we can use the date constructor with the new operator to create a new date. Okay, object that returns a string with the current date and time. So const current date equal to new date. This is our built-in constructor. With the help of this, we are creating our a date object. Okay, and while doing console log, what we will get is this. Okay, so let's create a new const variable called date. Okay, const variable name is date, and assign it date, and assign the date object with a new date. Okay, so new date. This is how we will make it. Okay, so now what is step 4? The date object has a number of methods that allow us to get the date and time in different formats. Okay, so one of those is dot get date method, which returns a number between 1 and 31 that represents the day of the month for that date. Example here, new date day of the month, date dot get date. It will console log 20. Okay, so let's try it. So using const, create a variable named day. Let's create our variable day and assign it the day of the month from date. Okay, here we created date. Okay, so this is how it will get date here. Okay, now let's go to step 5. The dot get month method returns a number between 0 and 11. This represents the month for the date provided, where 0 is January and 11 is December, because the number this method return is 0 based. Okay, you need to add 1 to it to get the expected month here. Okay, so using create, so let's get our month now from get date. Okay, sorry, get month okay, plus 1. It is 0 based, so we need to add plus 1. Okay, remember this, it is 0 based. Okay, the dot get full year method returns a number which represents the year for the provided date. Okay, so same thing, variable named year, and from date we'll get our full year. Amazing. Okay, so let's go to step 7. The get hours method returns a number between 0 and 23. Okay, it is also 0 base indexing. Okay, they present the hour provided date, where 0 is midnight and 23 is 11 p.m. Okay, so let's create our const. 0 means 12 a.m. and 23 is 11 p.m. Okay, so this hours, and it will get hours. We don't need to add anything here, because actually it is not kind of 0 index. It is 0 is for midnight, 23 is for 11 p.m. So this is fine. Next we are step 8. We'll get minutes. Okay, between 0 and 59, which represent the minutes for the provided date. Okay, so let's get our minutes is equal to what? Date get minutes. Okay, and yes, okay, there are no changes here right now. Changes will be made when this p is for that thing, current date. Okay, so now let's create const variable name, formatted date, and assign it empty template literals. So what is formatted date empty literals? Okay, so my step 10 is, inside the template literals, add an embedded expression that contains the day variable. Okay, it is a variable, so this is how we will do it. Okay, it will contain our day, then month, then year, or whatever format we need. Now my step 11, after the day variable, add a dash. Okay, this is my day variable. After this I will add a dash, and there will be same expression for our month. Okay, so now by step 12, after the month variable, add a dash followed by another embedded expression that will be our year. Okay, this is fine. Oh, it would read out of my template literals. Now this is fine. Okay, so my next step is to see the result of the formatted date variable at a console log. Okay, so let's add my console log here, and I'll pass formatted Wait, let's see what it will give me. This is exciting. Oh, oh, I got today's date. This is my day, this is my month, and this is my year. Great. Okay, now let's go to my step 14. Use the text content property on current date paragraph to get its text to the value of the formatted date. Means when we will click on this, here we will get in this paragraph, we will get whatever we are writing, whatever we are getting in console log, right? Okay, so text content property on current date paragraph. Okay, it was my current date paragraph. Okay, let's remove it. We need to remove it. Okay, so what is this current date paragraph text content will get formatted date. Simple. Okay, fine. This is how we'll get it. Okay, here it is. This variable I put it here. It is, we are assigning a dynamic values. Okay, so now my step 15 in JavaScript, the change event is used to detect when the value of an HTML has changed. Okay, so for this, okay, so now let's add event listener. Okay, to date option select element. This is the thing. This one. Okay, for this we will add our event listener here. Okay, event listener. Okay, and the first argument will be change. Okay, and the second argument should be an arrow function. Let's give it that function. So this is how we will do it. So from the step 16 we will do in the next video. That is it for this. Thank you so much.